Hello everyone. So this is the second example of service broadcast services that I've made. Let me show this to you. If I put in number of seconds here, let's say I've put in two, let's say put four, five. Okay. After 5 seconds, the alarm will go off. After this toast is done, right? So now this is another example of services wherein we are using alarm services and vibrator services. And we will now see how exactly have we done this in terms of layout and coding. Although in layout there is not much to do. First things first, we will go to our activity main, and to save us some time, I have already made this. Alright, so here it is where the user will put in the number of seconds, and when he or she clicks on this, then the code gets executed. This is all fine. On click is start alert. So let's go here and start doing what we are good at. We'll define edit text. Time. In integer, we will try to save the time because first we need to convert it from text and string, whatever it is. We will use a pending intent here. Pending intent is very similar to intents. The only thing is the word pending in them. They keep waiting for a broadcast to happen, and once the broadcast is received, they shoot the intent which resides within them. So we will explain this pending intent in this example to you. The code that I pass in, it could be any code, 2424, 2427, anything, whatever the request code that you want to give. And then I give the intent name. And integer flags, which can be this. I will also define an intent here, which will tell the system to go from this class to another class and get executed. We are yet to make that class, but nevertheless we will mention it here. After this, I will call a alarm manager class. Here I will do a get system service and associated with alarm service. I need an alarm manager here. Alarm manager dot RTC wake up. Plus I has the number of seconds number of seconds that the user has entered, and we need to multiply it by 1000 because the system counts time in milliseconds. That is pretty important to be done. And then we make a toast for this. Alright, now we also need to make a my broadcast receiver class. To make the my broadcast receiver class, we'll make a Java class. And we will extend it broadcast receiver, implement methods on receive method. This looks fine now. After this, we will make a toast. This remains. Instead of this, we will keep context that we received as an input parameter. Message is it's time. And another thing is I will call a vibrator class, make an object, again get system service, get system service, context dot vibrator service. After this, we put method vibrate, and here we put number of seconds for how many seconds do we want the system to vibrate. Alright, so this is again done. We can now see that this all activity is fine. This is fine. Activity main is fine. We need to make some changes in the manifest, which we will do now. In the manifest, first we'll need to put a receiver there. Put the receiver, and we put the permission also. Now I have given this app a permission to use the vibrate service. Had this not been there, the phone will not vibrate, the app might crash. So we, as always mentioned earlier also, we have to make sure that the manifest is taken care of. My broadcast receiver. So I've installed the app that we made just now. Alarm is set for after 4 seconds it should, it's time. Yeah, so this is working fine now. uh, we have been able to understand what the services can do for us in any mobile development. We can now move forward to notifications, because notification is also an important thing which has to be understood if we really want to make nice apps. Notifications are the ones which you see at the top. Do you see this? All these are notifications, the horizontal bars. So we will work on them now. Okay, till then, bye bye. See you in the next session.